Hello everyone. So how are you all people? So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Doctor and Forex Trader. I hope everyone is doing fine. So we are here for another live session. As you all already know, we are trading NAS 100 completely live here and we are trying to pass our $10,000 funded challenge, right? So my goal and my idea behind this program is to simply provide you the essence of real trading, right? What is reality in trading? What are the realistic expectations? How will you proceed in your career if you keep trading as one of your main goals, right? So, all those answers you will get here with us for sure, right? So, already we are a bit late. Let's start today's session. We'll be talking in between. So, now you'll be seeing the screens and my charts. All right. So let's do a quick recap what we did on Friday. So we took this trade almost here or think anywhere near here and we booked almost 1 is to 1.5, right? So this is the dashboard. Currently we are almost at break even, just $5-6 down, that's it. So this was the last trade which we booked the profit, and this was one trade where we broke a little rules and we suffered it, right? Right. So we'll be talking regarding other things. First, let's make today's analysis. Let's clear all the previous drawings. So we'll be starting with the 1 day time frame analysis. Yes, good evening. A very good evening to all present here. Same. Let's decide the bias. It's higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Maybe it may go for another higher high or it may proceed down and form another lower high. So you can't say anything very clearly, right? Now let's shift to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see what are you seeing here. So what I'm seeing here is a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high and a lower low, and now again maybe a lower high or maybe a higher high. Nothing is pretty clear here. All right. Next is our 1 hour time frame. Are you seeing any bias? I don't think so. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, lower low, and a equal high, almost an equal high. So nothing is very clear again here. We can't say anything very clearly. Now the most important time frame for us, 15 minutes time frame. First let's mark few levels. You do yours and I'll be marking mine, and just see whether you try to match with me or not. So one is very simple, this one, and another I can see is this one. Good, you should take breaks. So next is this one. Let's assume, sorry, now shift to 5 minutes time frame. All right. So what we'll do is, let's assume it's right now 7:30, right? Just assume it. So suppose you are at 7:30 and this is not present right now. Just assume it. Okay, you are have to make your analysis starting your day from here. Clear? So we can see, we can mark one minor level using the 5 minutes time frame, which is this one, which we marked on Friday also. Clear? All right. Suppose we are in the market at 7:30 and this is the scenario. Now what will be the our analysis? So one will be simple, a double top or a bearish engulfing candle from here. All right. Another will be from here, a double bottom. This is a bullish idea, so make it green. Third one, a straight breakout and a retest. Then this. So these three will be our trade ideas if we were at the market around 7:30. Clear? Now assume, in fact don't assume, now think that you were waiting from this time and now you're waiting for a perfect turn. Is there any entry till now according to you? Nothing, right? This would be an entry if this would be any engulfing candle, but I don't think so it will be an engulfing candle, so it's not any entry for you. Clear? So now you have to wait. This one is over for right now and this one is also over. Either this or a breakout, a retest, and this as a target. So now these two are the possible scenarios according to us. So by doing this we have covered up the time that we were not available in today's market around for 1 hour. I was busy in some hospital work, so I was not able to come at time today. That's why I'm late. I have told you previously also that there are some days when I am a little busy. There is some emergency or there is some any case going on. So now our analysis part for the day is over. Now what we have to do is just simply wait and watch. If you are a returning viewer and you watch the sessions regularly, just hit the like button. If you're liking the analysis, if you're liking the content, if not, then I will not force anyone. Okay? So I hope that on Friday I explained regarding the pips and position size and that lot size. Everyone got that, and that thing is clear to everyone now. If you have any other questions regarding trading, regarding any other things, you are free to ask. I'll be very happy to answer your questions. That's great. Can't say anything right now. It is still holding this level. So yesterday I gained 24 subscribers in a single day. I was very happy to see this. Yep, 150. Yeah, on that Friday's live trading session. Which one? USDCH? Yeah, it seems bullish. I'm seeing something else and it seems bullish to me on 1 day time frame. So I'll be looking for a sell trade If this red candle closes below this, I'll explain you afterwards what I'm seeing, but I'm telling you my entry criteria. If this red candle closes below this candle, I will look for a sell side trade. So entry is not triggered. What I was seeing is that pattern which I explain you people on bullish side, that exactly same reverse pattern I am seeing here. Downfall, okay, this is buying pressure, this is selling pressure, again buying pressure. It seems to be weak here, and then it broke the level. Then this buying pressure is again more weak, okay, and then a confirmation that this trade will work on downside. So I am pretty confident that it will go downside. We can take the trade also right now, but there is no confirmation candle till now. That's why I didn't took the trade. If this red candle would have closed below these candles, I would have taken the entry. A simple psychology based pattern that mostly works good. Yeah, it seems it will break down, but until unless we are having any confirmation candle, we will not take the entry. If you people stick to just one setup, which I have told you, that alone single pattern you can use to make hell lot of money. Simple this one. But you have to just have confirmations, right? And match it with your psychology, not just simple textbook based pattern. No. Observe it, keep an eye when it is really happening in the market so that you get to know how does market behaves when this pattern is formed. So you get confidence on this. Okay, so it's an engulfing candle. Let's open a sell trade. No problem. Let's just once check the. I'll keep it stop loss here. Let's open the trade with just 0.1 lot. I'm opening it with 0.1 lot. Right? So this is the trade we have opened. I have explained you why I am opening this. Clear? This is the position where we have opened, and most probably I'll be keeping the stop loss here and keeping the target here. $16,827 I'll place the stop loss. $16,827, right? All right. First, let's focus on our basic target, that is 1:1.5. So this is the trade we have opened. PayPal. So I hope both the screens are now visible to you people. This is the chart and this is the trade. Clear? Currently in this program we are using the funding frontier. Okay, see this one, I'll show you. Generally I am using, earlier I was using Forex funds also, but that vanished. TFT is the main which one I am using. So I hope you very well got why I opened this trade. If anyone has doubt, you can ask me. Those who are with me from past few days very well know why I have opened this trade. I have listened about it, but actually not, you know, great idea I don't have regarding that firm. I have heard about it from few people. Yeah, it's good. TFT also it costs only 63 $64 and it's a great firm. You can go with a funded trader. So this is a confirmation candle for me in this setup. So I'll add a little more position size in this trade. Clear? Right now my risk is just 0.45 sorry $45. So I'll add a little more position, 0.05 lots. Okay. So these two are now my running positions. The stop loss I'll be shifting. Currently I'll using same, that is 827. I'll be placing the same stop loss for this position also, right? And now our total risk is almost 65 to $70. That's pretty in our range. Yeah, it seems legit to me. Its work is to just place orders. I don't think there will be any fraud in MT4 or MT5. I'm using MT5 from past 1 2 years and it's good for me. So today the entry which I took is purely based on the psychology based setup. That on the reverse side we have very well saw how beautifully it works. So same expectation we are having on the reverse side. And if anything wrong happens, our stop loss is there to save us. That's it. Okay, I'll explain. Just wait for few minutes. Let's see where this trade heads. Those who are new here, just observe the analysis, just observe the content that we are providing. If you feel that is valuable to you, that is useful to you people, don't hesitate to hit the like button. Each like encourages me to bring more such sessions. My aim is to not scam you people, in fact, provide you the real, experience of how reality, you know, which is lying behind trading. What are the realistic expectations you should keep from trading? What are the real emotions that you will be facing during trading? There will be grief, there will be excitement, but you have to keep these things away if you want to be a profitable trader for a long term. Okay, so one of our friend is asking, let's to explain buying and selling pressure on gold. Okay, let's see. Let's find a appropriate scenario. I don't think there can be any better example than this. Currently, you can't say anything. There is no live example in this. It's a simple fall, that's it. If it would be like this, then you can say that it was buying and selling pressure, but not right now. I hope you are getting what I am trying to say. Yeah, whenever market is falling, you can say selling pressure is more. Absolutely. Just wait, I have important call coming. Yeah, so in trading, your charts should be always neat and clean, right? There's nothing to be keep it, complex. Just one horizontal line is enough to do good profitable trading. This is our funding account dashboard. We are using a $10,000 account, and currently our balance is $6 down. That is almost break even. These are all the trades which we have took till now. There are winning streaks, there are losing streaks. All things keep happening. See, this was a great losing patch for us. We lost all the profits and we were in the drawdown. Main thing is you don't have to lose your mind. You have to be calm, composed. Whatever happens is meant to be, happen. Even if you are having a great profit, don't get too excited. Even if you are having a loss, not a great loss, because a loss should never be a great loss. It should be maximum to your stop loss, not more than that. So whenever you have stop loss, there should be no sadness. As I keep on saying, that real trading is always boring because you have to do same thing day in day out. Anxiety comes when there are uncertainties, when you don't know the outcome. That this is a lottery ticket kind of thing. If you stop thinking like this, you will not have any anxiety, because you know either you will be having now, like, suppose in this trade only, I know I have a fixed outcome. Either I'll be getting a 70 $80 loss, or I'll be getting $100 around profit. That's it. So what's the role of anxiety or sadness in this? I already know before opening the trade that what will be my loss amount or what will be my target or profit amount. So that's why there is no place for these emotions in trading. You can enjoy your life, you can make your life exciting with the money that you're making while trading, right? But you should not get excited while trading. Most of the people's heart rate gets pumped up when they are trading. They have got adrenaline rush because they are seeing high fluctuations in front of the screen. But it should be in reality vice versa. You should be even double calm and composed than you are in your normal life when you are trading. You should be subtle. Hey man, how are you doing? I welcome you all to my channel. All those new subscribers watching today for first time. So we are trying to pass a $10,000 challenge, just trading NAS 100 single instrument on 5 minutes time frame and using price action. Yeah, for sure I'll explain it. There is no setup that works every time, right? No setup. Just note my words. No, not a single setup that works every single time. All right. So we have a nice example to explain all the new people here that what was the trade idea behind today's trade. So first I'll be explaining you on the bullish idea. Let's suppose market is rising up to this point. Clear? Here sellers are sitting. Clear? They push the market down. Now here buyers are sitting. Clear? What buyers will do? They'll push market again up. But here sellers were sitting. So now what happens is sellers again try to push the market down. But at first time they were able to push the market till this point. Got it? But now they are just able to push it this at up to this point. So sellers have become weak because at first instance this was the fall and at the second instance this is the fall. The length of fall has decreased. That means selling pressure has decreased. And suppose on the scale of 0, suppose here is a 0. Initially buyers were sitting at 1, now they are sitting at 2. So their power is increased. So now buying pressure is trying to increase. Then again here sellers try to push market down. Now they are able to push it just this much. And now buyers have become more strong. And then what happens is boom. I hope everyone got this. So same concept I was applying today on the bearish side. How? Let me explain. Market fall up to this level. Here buyers were sitting. Buyers pumped the market till this point. Now sellers were sitting here. Clear? Assume this point. Clear? Again buyers are sitting here. But sellers pumped the market, pushed the market to this point, a little more down. Sellers are becoming strong and now buyers were just able to push the market till this point. At first instance they were able to push at such a huge instance, but now just a little. So selling pressure is increasing here, and such strong red candle is a good signal that this is a good setup, going to be a good setup. So that's why at this engulfing candle I was interested in selling at this position, and I opened this trade. This was a pure psychology based setup that I had worked few times on the bullish side, but of first time I was trying it on bearish side also. Let's see it will work out or not. It may work or it may not. Is there any doubt? So this is the trade for today which is running right now. We have opened two positions because after this candle I got a little more confirmation, so I added a little more position. Overall, if we get the stop loss hit, we'll be losing around $70. And those who don't know, let me tell you, my stop loss range is 0.5 to 1.2%. It keeps varying in between this. When I have a A plus setup, taking all my 4 confluences, I go for full stop loss. But when I have a little on the lower side setup, I go with a little lower position size and lower stop loss. So right now we were trying something new for the first time, so I just opened position with a little lower size. Yeah, when your concepts are clear, your explanation is very clear. If you like the content which we are providing, don't hesitate to hit the like button. First observe, then analyze, and then appreciate it. If you have your position size and control, you have a little room for your stop loss. If you feel that there will be stop loss hunting or anything, you can move your stop loss little up, little down, because you are already having a huge room. Like we can maximum have a 1.2% stop loss and we'll be not affected. So your risk management, your emotional management, these things are must in trading. You should have a nice control on these things. I keep on telling you people, trading is 90% psychology, just 10% technical analysis. I hope you have sufficient analysis for the day, brother. Now let's just focus on NAS 100. I have explained the concept, now try to apply. I told you my idea is to make you people independent trader, not get depend on me. You learn and then you do it yourself, such that after few time, after few months, you don't even need me. I have explained this concept multiple times. Till now, it should be clear to you. We are live mostly at around 7 to 7:30 p.m. Being a doctor, I have some commitments toward my hospital, so some days I am late. Mostly, I inform on my Telegram whenever I'll be coming live before 1 or 2 hours before. So now we are very nearby to the stop loss. So does I am having any anxiety or any fear? No. I already told you that I'll if we hit the stop loss, we'll be hitting the loss of $70. So when you already know the outcome, you will never have a sense of anxiety or fear. So in trading there is no place for these things. Just believe me for that. As I usually say, make your rules like a boss, but you follow them like an employee. You don't have any right to change your rules. I am able to do so is because I am, keeping my trading as a freedom, not a foundation. There's a problem out there with many people, those who are trading. They are making their trading a foundation, and the main concept behind trading is freedom. It is not like that the trading will offer you the maximum possible money. No, other businesses can offer you a great amount of money than trading, but it is the main thing that you are the boss here. You don't have to answer anyone regarding anything. You can do whatever you want, you can trade from wherever you want. So this is the freedom which trading is offering, but people, they are making it as a foundation. So when you are making something a foundation, you will not be able to do so. If I'll be keeping on thinking that I had to trade regularly every day or anything like this, I will also not be able to trade. But whenever I am busy in some hospital work or some personal work, I simply avoid. I don't have any regret that I was not able to trade today or yesterday or any day. At the end, results are always same. That 5-6% a month is hell lot of money. That is more than enough. If people get to know this, the trading will become a lot easier. But what they are focusing, they are trying to focus getting 50%, 60% a month. And in attempt to get that, they are failing, failing, failing. Like people who are trying to pass the funded challenge in rush, they are never able to pass it. If by chance out of 5, 7, 10 challenges they are able to pass one challenge, they'll not manage to get even a single payout for sure. That's why I always say in trading it is exactly opposite. If you try to hurry in the things, success will move far away from you. But if you will be going slowly, things will be much more easier for you people. And I am saying you this from my personal experience, not by listening to anyone else. I'm saying it completely from my personal perspective, from my personal experience, my journey. So what I'll do is I'll just move the stop loss to this point, okay? Because if there will be any liquidation sweep happening, so we won't be trapped in that. And then I think today's session is over. I'll keep this trade running, and whatever happens, I'll explain. I'll tell you people in Telegram and tomorrow's session. So my trading time for the day is over. In fact, I was late today, so that's why I am sitting till now. Otherwise, we would have closed this session half an hour earlier only. So I'll be moving this to 831. After that, whatever happens, we'll accept it. That's it. 831. Okay. And simple this one also 831. And let's place the target order also according to 1:1.5. So our opening price is 807 and our stop loss is 3831, so it's 24 points. So target will be 36 points, so it will be 801 minus 30, it's 771. So we will be placing the target as 16771, and then whatever happens we'll accept it. Simple. 16771. Clear? So let me show you people. So this is the target order. Similarly for this one, 16771. All right. So what I have done is I have placed the stop loss around here and target around here. Clear? And now whatever happens we'll accept it, and this is our dashboard. All right. So I hope you people enjoyed this session and you got to know something valuable from here. No, not this is not my first funded challenge. So we'll see you people tomorrow again. Till then, bye bye, take care, good night. Your host, your friend, Dr. D.